Now let us take another question. And the question is, let z equals cos theta plus iota sin theta, then the value of summation m varies from 1 to 15, imaginary part of z to the power 2m minus 1. So we can write this as summation m varies from 1 to 15, imaginary part of cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power 2m minus 1. Now using De Moivre's theorem, we can write this as summation m varies from 1 to 15, imaginary part of cos 2m minus 1 theta plus iota sin 2m minus 1 theta. Now its imaginary part is sin 2m minus 1 theta. So we can write this summation as summation m varies from 1 to 15 sin 2m minus 1 theta. Now we'll expand this series. This series, it becomes sin theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta up to 15 terms. Now here again angles are in AP. Here the value of A is theta, value of D is 2 theta, and value of N is 15. So if we use this formula for sine, formula is sine n d by 2. So it will be sine 15 and d by 2 is theta upon sine d by 2, which is sine theta, into sine A, which is theta, plus n minus 1, which is 14, and d by 2 is theta. So we can write this sum as sine 15 theta into sine 15 theta upon sine theta. So the value of this summation will be sine square 15 theta upon sine theta. Now in the question it says at theta equals 2 degrees. So the value of theta is 2 degrees. So we'll put theta as 2 degrees. We'll get this as sine square 30 degrees upon sine 2 degrees. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this value will be 1 by 4 sine 2 degrees, and that's your option D.